What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that how to get a job in Hong Kong with 15 years of experience in SAP. I saw your video on YouTube that there are more job scope in SAP in Hong Kong. I have 15 years of SAP experience. Okay, SAP is a programming which used in the government world, corporate world, especially government love to use it. I mean, if you are a SAP programmer, just apply online. Just apply online. Just have the basic requirement. At least you need an associate degree or a higher diploma, which is 2 year. Just make sure you have all of the requirements filled. I mean, and for SAP, you really need to showcase you work in some kind of government institute. If you do not work, at least go and get 1 year experience in a government institute working with the SAP. I mean, yeah. Other than that, I don't think so there's much advice I can give you. I mean, yeah, that's all I can tell you, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, I mean, that is my SAP is usually most for the enterprise and government especially. I mean, even you could get even some enterprise can hire you, private enterprise, but if you have some government working with some government institute, it will be better. I mean, so it was me, Gmail. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box. Bye.
Hey, hey, hey.